What is up? Welcome back to another video. Today on Scratch, I'm going to teach you how to make a Spirlizer. So you may not be like, what's a Spirlizer, Game Fusion Jacob? Well, I'll show you what one is. So, have you seen one of these illusions? And then you can change speed. And then and if the angle and speed goes to 0, it doesn't do anything except change that colour. Okay, so firstly you're going to come to Scratch, and then you can just create a new project. Okay, so when you create a new project, you're going to add the pen extension, and we can make a variable or two variables called angle, and and if you do hear any background noise, it's because I have neighbours over and they're watching Britain's Got Talent. But yeah. Okay, so you go ahead and name it Spirlizer, and I'll just be doing something. Okay, so if I have done this, there we go. We are going to get a one green flag clicked, set angle to 7, and then set angle again, but speed to 4. That'll be our starting off. Then we can get rid of that cat and add any sprite, or you could just make your own. Yeah, just make your own. Don't add anything. And yeah. But now get a ball sprite, get ball. You can either make a ball or just grab ball. I'm not going to be using it personally, so I'm just going to hide it. Well, not yet, but you can decide that. Then green flag clicked, set angle to 7, then set speed. Set speed to 4, and yeah, then we're going to get our set size to 30, and then we're going to go to x0 and y equal to 0. Okay. Then we're going to erase all and change pen size by 1. Pen down forever. Create clone of myself. Oh yeah, and make these sliders. Like that. Then not 10, then not a number, just angle. Then change pen colour by 1. Okay. Then we're going to get a 1 space clicked, but when's any key, but I'm just going to do space. It will erase all and delete this clone. It's always asking it at the bottom, it can't go on top. Yeah. So, and we can get up when I start as clone. Forever. Forever, we can move 10 steps, but then change that to speed. Then, right now, we have that. Oh yeah, make the backdrop to black. So a dark black. And just do that. Look at that. Now we're nearly done. For wherever when it starts clone, if touching edge, because as you can see, if you can see, all the balls are just getting clogged up till there's no more balls. So, for that, we can get in if then, and then do touching mouse pointer, but set this to edge. We can delete this clone. Then that is it. You have this, and when you do that, it changes the direction, like what way it starts in. Bam, bam, bam. But yeah, so when you change the angle, it will like change the angle of what these go in. And if you set it to 100, it will just go like that. And if you set the speed, that makes like how fast the balls go. I like 6 and 106. I think that looks good. But thank you guys for watching. And if you don't like these balls, you can just hide them. And then that. But yeah, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. I never knew you can make this with scratch. Sorry, my mic just fell off. But I never knew you can make this with scratch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see ya. Peace.